Hey, my name is David, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bright. How and where we work is changing, and at Bright, we are reinventing corporate well-being programs for this evolving way that we work. So since 2018, we've been leaders in the on-site beauty space as part of a corporation's well-being program. So this included services like hair, nails, makeup, on-site at the office as an employee perk. And while potentially not obvious at first sight, the value that we were providing through this program was removing stress from employees' lives and adding balance. So we were saving that busy lawyer or that tech worker 2 to 3 hours a month on their monthly haircut or manicure ritual. And this program was hugely popular. So we signed up over 320 offices that included companies like Mattel, WeWork, and Tinder. We successfully launched in 12 cities. We completed over 10,000 on-site services. And in the first quarter of this year, we were almost doubling revenue every month, and we hit just under 65K in revenue for the quarter. But then for all of the companies that we serve, and frankly for the entire world, things changed, and all of the offices that we were serving and visiting shut down almost overnight. But just because these offices closed didn't mean the problem we were tackling went away. So every year, companies are losing $300 billion on employee stress and burnout. So this is a huge, huge problem for companies. And with everyone working remotely now, we knew that this problem was only going to be more prominent. So we had to get back to the drawing board and find a way to tackle this problem in new ways. And the question for our team became, how could we help reduce stress and improve employee well-being in a virtual world? And we launched the Bright Pass to solve this problem. And Bright Pass is a virtual well-being program for remote employers where we provide over 15 hours of live content each day through yoga, mindfulness, nutrition, and fitness classes. So with the Bright Pass, companies can invest in their entire team's well-being and mental health through our 3,000 live, virtual, and engaging classes each and every month. Our pricing on this is super simple. So we charge $8 per employee per month for those 3,000 live classes. If you compare that to the $50 a month that most employers are spending on a gym subsidy per employee per month, we're able to save companies thousands of dollars while they make a huge splash with their teams in terms of well-being and mental health. And we literally beta launched this program 27 days ago, so it's less than a month old. And in these few weeks since that launch, we now have 3 paying customers and $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue. We've completed 2,500 virtual sessions. And we have $20,000 in active pending proposals out right now. And based on our sales pipeline that include those proposals, we can confidently predict we'll have this program at 10K MRR in August and at 50K MRR by September. So we're really starting to grow and do our best as a small and scrappy team to keep up with the momentum we have. So why I'm most excited about Bright is how well we're positioned to tackle the opportunities that the future of work holds. So many are predicting that the office is dead. And on the opposite side of that, many are predicting that remote work is just a trend. But it is our belief that the future of work is in flexibility of work environment. So that's some remote work, some office, and that probably changes week by week. And because of this, companies' well-being programs need to adapt to meet employees where they are. And this is a huge market. So right now, there is $100 billion spent annually on corporate wellness. And that's done because 80% of North American companies are already spending up to $1,200 per employee per year on wellness services. So Bright is truly, I think, the best positioned company to take advantage of this massive opportunity. So for us, as I mentioned, it started with on-site beauty services like hair, nails, and makeup. And we had huge success with that program, signing up over 320 office locations. Now we've added a virtual well-being program, which includes 3,000 live fitness, yoga, mindfulness, and nutrition classes each month. We will have this program at 50K MRR within 2 months. Next, and most exciting, is we'll have a hybrid model. So as a company offering a well-being program, you can use Bright to build the entire program through a mix of on-site and virtual services. So we'll continue to offer our existing on-site and virtual services. We'll add new ones like dry cleaning, financial well-being, counseling, and many more. And by bringing all of these services together under one brand and under one company, other well-being providers will not be able to match the cost efficiencies that we have and the ease that we can provide in launching a well-being program at your company. So I truly believe We have one of the best founding teams in Canada. I've now built and sold 2 startups. My co-founder, Blair, has built a healthcare startup, which reached millions of dollars in revenue. And Kieran, our CTO, was a tech executive at a company in Toronto that was recently acquired for over $1 billion. So we are here raising $1.5 million to fund the next phase of our growth. We're using these funds to sign up 500 companies and build 500 well-being programs for those companies. Based on roughly each company spending $1,000 per month, we believe we can hit $6 million in ARR inside 18 months. And ultimately, we want to build the top workplace well-being brand in the world. So to quickly recap, in the next 5 years, it's our belief that the work location for most companies will be hybrid, that the $100 billion spent annually on employee well-being will drastically increase and be an even higher priority for companies. And we've proven now at Bright that we can execute, and we're excited to get the fuel we need to do it again. So if you see the world the same way that we do, and interested in talking further, I'd love to chat. Thank you.